Hi, I'm Kevin from EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. I've seen growers bolt a drape net onto a permanent pitched roof, only for it to sag like a hammock months later. Don't make that mistake. If you're building a permanent overhead system over long rows of apples or cherries, you need a net with structural rigidity. That means Leno Woven. The Leno Weave locks each strand in place, so it holds its shape year after year without sagging. It's designed for permanent installation. In fact, spec sheets say Leno is not for frequent seasonal removal. On the flip side, if you're just protecting trees for hail season and pulling it off after harvest, go with Raschel Drape. It's lighter, cheaper, and easy to roll up, but bolt it to a permanent frame and you'll get uneven tension and pooling water. That leads to a net that needs replacing in 2 seasons instead of 5. Match the structure to the net. Permanent roof equals Leno Woven. Seasonal drape equals Raschel. Next time you spec a hail net, ask yourself, is this frame staying up for a decade or coming down every year? That one question saves you a rebuild. Thanks for watching and see you next time.